On 14 to 15 July 2025, the International Workshop on Unconventional Magnetism in Quantum Materials was successfully held in Kyiv, a scientific event that brought together leading researchers from Ukraine, Europe, the USA, and Canada.
The goal of the conference is to bring people working in the field of magnetism together. These are scientists from Ukraine, the Ukrainian community, and the international community working on specific problems in magnetism, and especially on materials, new materials that have a special property which is called altermagnetism.
The workshop was opened with welcome remarks by Jeroen van den Brink, IFW Dresden, and Oleksandr Kordyuk, Kyiv Academic University. The event focused on cutting-edge topics in altermagnetism, a newly emerging type of magnetism without conventional magnetization, which holds the potential to revolutionize spintronics and quantum technologies.
My name is Flavio Nogueira. I work on the IFW Dresden. My field of interest is quantum field theory, a theoretical physicist, quantum field theory in condensed matter systems, especially quantum critical points.
My name is Asle Sudbø. I'm a professor of physics at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology and also a center director for Center of Quantum Spintronics. And my field of research is condensed matter quantum theory, and I specialize in things like superconductivity, many-body physics, and quantum magnetism.
Ukrainian scientists from Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv, the Institute of Magnetism, the Donetsk Institute for Physics and Engineering, and the Bogolyubov Institute for Theoretical Physics of the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine presented their latest findings in theoretical modeling, quantum transport, spin hydrodynamics, nanostructures, and optics of altermagnetic materials.
So this conference is about unconventional magnetism. It's about the progress that has been made in fundamental research in the last year on magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are a very important type of materials. For example, they are the basis of racetrack memories, which is how we can store memories in hardware disks, for example.
The workshop was a vivid demonstration of the high level of Ukrainian science and its integration into the global research community.
We have had very many projects, starting already more than 10 years ago. We had common projects of exchange of students. This was of course sponsored by the government, the German government. In Dresden, where I am, we had many PhD students, postdocs that came to us and then returned to Kiev. And still I have quite a few Ukrainian students, postdocs in my group. So there's the project that is current is Hukumat, and Hukumat is the aim is to build up a laboratory in Kiev. We are building up this laboratory. It is being built up. The laboratory is led by my colleague Oleksandr Kordyuk, and with this experimental laboratory there's also a theoretical research effort both in Dresden and in Kiev that I'm also trying to lead.
I'm feeling totally safe for the moment. I know that situation is not normal, of course. We are aware of that. But so far the organization is great. Everything went perfect. The talks online and in person functioned very well, in time. Also the hotels, organization, everything was, I think Asle, my colleague, has the same impression.
Absolutely. We're deeply impressed by the fact that our friends in Ukraine, our colleagues in physics, are able to pursue first-rate, first-class physics under very, very trying and demanding conditions. And as far as the organization here is concerned, it could not have been better. Everything has been running smoothly, and I would say we've had 12 talks today, and we've been on time all the time. I'm deeply impressed.